welcome back for another video. So in today's video, I'll be doing a quick 10-minute speed cleaning. This video is ultra special because it is in collaboration with my sweet friend Crystal Renee, and I'm gonna let her introduce herself right here.
Hello everyone, my name is Crystal and I live in North Carolina with my wonderful husband. I work full-time and I also love to post cleaning and organization videos to give you tons of motivation. I do throw some lifestyle content in there as well to keep things extra fun. So if all that interests you, then please head over to my channel after you finish watching this lovely lady's video. If you like what you see, click the red subscribe button because I would absolutely love to have you join my family.
Make sure you guys go over and show Crystal some love on her video as well once you're done watching mine. Her link will be in my description box. You guys are going to absolutely love her channel. She has some amazing content. She is always giving little tips and tricks that can help you through your daily cleaning. So make sure you go over and tell her I sent you. Now we're going to get right into the video. And I'm just starting out by tidying up the kitchen. When you don't have a lot of time, I like to make sure that the surfaces are clean and wiped down. My husband had already come in and loaded the dishwasher up for me, so I didn't have to worry about that. All I needed to do was tackle the surfaces, clean out the sink, and then move on and clean up the table. Now, I will say that I did not clean this whole entire video in 10 minutes, but I was able to condense my cleaning into a 10-minute video to give you some quick, instant motivation.
Just love to play. We cannot fail. We just love to play. Just love to play. We cannot fail. We just love to play. Just love to play. We cannot
If you're coming over from Crystal's channel, or if this is your first time visiting my channel, hi and welcome. My name is Sean, and here on my channel I post cleaning motivation every Sunday and Wednesday. So if that is something you'd be interested in, if you are feeling my vibe and you want to join my family, I would love to have you. Go ahead and leave me a comment introducing yourself so we can get to know each other. And to all my loyal returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for always coming back and clicking to watch another video. You know I appreciate you.
I think I can see clear now.
I just wanted to leave that real life clip in because I thought it was so cute. Sydney was in the pantry playing peekaboo and she wanted to say hey to you guys. So make sure you say hey Sydney down in the comments.
Then you go for a week and leave me hanging all alone. Push me back, pull me in, and the other way around. Pull me in, push me back. What do you want from me? What do you want from me? Can someone set me free? What do you want? What do you want? should know. I have never really liked you at all. I cannot hide it anymore. I've been thinking about the future, trying to forget about the past. So many ways that I could change for the better. Don't even know where to begin. If I allow myself to dream, will it be as good as it seems? Pull me out of this place in the middle, in the middle. Nothing more to embrace in the middle, in the middle. If I try to climb up the wall, everyone can see when I fall.
And now we are moving on to tackle the living room, and we're just going to tidy up all the toys, fluff the pillows, fold the blankets, you know, the usual. The living room looks a mess, but it's really not a mess. It does not take me long to clean it. I usually can clean the living room in 10 minutes alone, so I was able to add it in this 10-minute video. And like I said before, no, I did not clean these 2 rooms in 10 minutes. In total, it took me 32 minutes. And yes, I looked to see that it took me 32 minutes to get this done. So if you don't have long, you really can get your rooms, the main areas of your home, good. I really hope you guys enjoyed this quick cleaning motivation today. I hope it gave you the motivation to get up and tackle something around your house, big or small. Don't forget to check out Crystal's channel. Make sure you tell her I sent you and send her lots and lots of love. Don't forget to like this video if you've enjoyed. Subscribe if you have not already. Make sure your notification bell is on so you'll know every single time I upload. Leave me a comment down below. You know I love talking to you. I will see you in the next video. Bye.
Stir it up now, right till the morning comes.